In this video, I'm going to share with you a space niche that is starting to trend in the news and also give you some free prompts for that niche and also provide you with some phrases that you can use for this niche as well. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that trending space niche, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Saturday, February 15th, 6:19 in the morning. No sales so far, but yesterday had a pretty good day, did 54 sales, $60 in royalties. That is going to put me at 639 sales for the month and $830 in royalties for February. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So if you've been following the news, you might have seen this story about an asteroid called 2024 YR4 that may hit Earth in 2032. NASA actually put out some news increasing its chances from, I think, 1% to 2% that it could hit. And if you've been on Merch by Amazon, over the years, you've just seen that these space niches tend to do very well. I actually made a video, I think a year ago, my OG subscribers will remember this, of another asteroid that I was also supposed to expect it to hit in 2029. That niche is actually doing pretty well and getting sales. So I have a pretty good feeling that this one's also going to do the same thing. I mean, if we just think last year, about the eclipse, how well that niche did, and just in general, just like the space niche, alien niche, astronaut niche, that's like one of the best all-time niches on Merch by Amazon. It's up there with like, T-Rexes and nurses and school teachers, things like that. So just a good niche here, trending in the news. So what I want to do is I want to make some prompts and give you guys some design phrases that you can actually get for free. So there's going to be a link in the description. It will take you to my Pay Hip shop. 5 asteroid prompts. You can get it for free right here. I'm also running a 50% off sale just for today only. So if you're interested in any other prompts for a good deal, maybe take a look. The ones that will probably make the most sense, like this bundles right here, you get some good value. So you can get 175 sports prompts for only $9.50. You can get 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. I also started doing like Tumblr wrap prompts, wall art prompts, some monthly prompts that would make sense. It's going to be like ones for April and March. Holiday prompts, good one is going to be like St. Patrick's Day and Mardi Gras. So if you're interested, go ahead and click on the link. But definitely you want to get those freebies right here, and here are the free ones right here if you want like other free prompts as well. But let me go ahead and share with you those. Well, actually, let's go ahead and first take a look at the niche. All right, so right here, we're going to see Asteroid 2024 YR4. This is on Merch Dominator. Just to take a look at the competition. So we can see, only 49 results. And here what some of the designs look like. So this is a funny one. I survived 2024. You can do something like this where you say, I survived 2024, and all I got with this lousy t-shirt. We've seen that design phrase do well over the years. Keep calm and duck. That's funny. So I think like the best way to approach this niche is to do like funny designs and to also focus on the date, so people have like something to like collect or like something to remember. So you're going to see a lot of them are basically like funny designs or ones that have the date. So this is a funny one right here. Asteroid 2024 coming soon to a planet near you instead of coming to a theater. So we can see that, some good designs here, low in competition. Now, I don't see any BSRs yet, but, I won't be fooled by that. In my experience on Merch, sometimes when a new niche pops up, it doesn't get BSRs right away. It takes a little bit of time for the BSRs to populate. But here we got some designs, living life one asteroid at a time. This one was funny. Asteroid, the ultimate photo bomber. So let's go ahead and actually take a look at the designs from the prompts that I created. So here we are on my ideogram account. So dinosaurs called, and they said good luck. So that's a funny one with the dinosaur and the asteroid in the background, because we all know that dinosaurs went extinct, I think like 68 or 69 million or billion years ago from an asteroid that actually landed, I think in Mexico or in the Gulf of Mexico. YR4, the last countdown. This is actually a really nice clip art right here that you can use. You can scale these as well, and I'll show you how to do that with the phrases that I also recommended in the word file. Next one is going to be come at me, bro. So it's like comet, like the asteroid, but come at me, bro. Now, one thing I kind of messed up here, I might have done bro, but BRUH, because that's like the trending word these days. But come at me, bro. Asteroid 2024 coming December 2032. Next one is going to be Asteroid 2024 Cosmic Disaster. And then the fifth one is going to be Asteroid 2024 coming soon to a planet near you. So kind of like that one that I showed you where it's making fun of, or it's a play on words of saying coming soon to a theater near you. And then these other ones are just some of those botanical wall art that I was just working on. So those are the 5 prompts. Again, you can get it for free. And here is the word file so we could take a look at some of the funny phrases. So here's the word file. You do have to check for what's it called, trademarks. You can sign up to my Ideogram affiliate link if you haven't signed up yet. But here are the 5 prompts. All you have to do is just copy and paste these, put them into Ideogram. The settings that I have, I just like to do. Let's just go ahead and show you real quick. So magic prompt on, 3x4, private 2.0, quality, and then I like to have this design button clicked off right here. That's the way I do it. But here are the phrases, and I got these on ChatGPT. So funny t-shirt phrases about Asteroid 2024 YR4. So YR4, I will worry about it in 2031. Asteroid incoming, guess I'll take a nap. Nap is actually a pretty popular niche on merch, so kind of cross-niching nap with Asteroid. Funny. 2032, the year my student loans get wiped out for free. I survived YR4 because I'm in a simulation. YR4, bringing the universe's biggest mic drop. Dear YR4, if you're going to hit us, aim for my boss. I think this was actually my favorite one right here. And this can be scaled. You can do like ex-wife, or you can do like math teacher. You can kind of get creative with this one right here. YR4, because rent prices weren't scary enough. Breaking news, dinosaurs laughing at us from the afterlife. That's another really funny one. Again, cross-niching dinosaurs. I think that's a good way to attack this niche with the dinosaurs, making funny puns about it. You can just maybe type in like, how can I come up with funny puns for dinosaurs and this asteroid that's coming on GPT, and probably come up with some more phrases. YR4, I knew the universe had beef with us. And then the last one, YR4, the Earth's most aggressive New Year, new me attempt. So that's going to be a funny one for New Year's. Yeah, so those are the niches, and those are the design phrases. So like I said, if you're interested, you can go ahead and you can download it completely for free. If you like, the prompts and the phrases that you get free, make sure to, like the video and subscribe. Now I want to share with you a little bit about my SKOOL community that I just opened up yesterday. I want to thank the 10 people that joined. Really appreciate that. But basically what I did is I created this SKOOL community. If you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically like paid Facebook groups, but on steroids. And it's a community where I'm going to be sharing with you, trending niches, evergreen niches every day. That's why I called it Mikey's Daily Niche Vault, because I don't take a day off. So Christmas, New Year's, birthday, doesn't matter. Every day you're going to be getting niches, and those niches also come with prompts. You also get other things that you get access to my GPTs. Now for the GPTs, you have to have a paid membership with ChatGPT. I can't get around that. But let me just show you a little bit about like what some of the posts look like. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one right here. So this was from a couple days ago. So basically right here, now sometimes it's going to be one niche, one trending niche, sometimes it's going to be 2 trending niches, sometimes it's going to be 3 trending niches, sometimes it won't be any trending niches because, everything that I see I don't think is safe, and it's just going to be like evergreen niches. So it just kind of depends what the market is giving us. But right here I had 2 trending niches for February 13th. I have it set up like this, the niche, don't make me act like your mother. Here is, I give you a link to show you what one of the designs is to prove that it is selling. And then here I give you a prompt. All right, that you can use. Second one is going to be Gulf of Mexico. This niche has actually really been taking off. Gulf of Mexico established 1550, or you can do Gulf of Mexico, I think forever has also done very well. Here's a link and here's a prompt. So that is what one post looked like. Here is one where I believe it was actually this one turned out really nice. The designs, look how nice these designs came out for this niche right here, proud daughter Mexican immigrant. So basically it's just like a paid niche service. If you're struggling to find like design ideas, I think this could work well for you, because you're going to get daily niches every day, both trending and evergreen, and prompts to go along with those niches that you can use on Ideogram or Kindle as well. They'll work on other platforms if you don't use Ideogram. But then you're also going to get access to my GPT. So let me show you what those look like. So if you click on this classroom button up here, once you've joined, you'll see you'll have access to my 3 GPTs. So this one right here is for SEO. So this is going to give you, all you have to do is just upload a design. Actually, I'll just show you because it's just so cool. So right here, just click on the GPT. And I just need to get a design real quick. So let's just come over here and let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So let's go like this. But it's really this easy. So where did that GPT? I got so many tabs open, I can't find it. Where is it? Oh, shoot. Well, this is kind of embarrassing. Oh no, it's that one right there. Okay, so click on the button right here, upload the screenshot I just took, hit enter, wait for it to load, and hit enter. And we're going to see that it's going to read the design, give us a little summary, and that's going to give us 5 title options. It's going to give you a brand name suggestion. It's going to give you bullet 1, bullet 2, and it's going to give you a description. You can actually add it, ask it to make you like a longer description if you want. Can you make the description longer? And the way that I set this GPT up is that so that it actually checks everything for trademark. I even copy and pasted the terms of service from Merch on Demand into here so it knows. I will say that it is not 100% perfect though. You still need to do your due diligence. You still need to be responsible and check everything for trademark. That's why I put a disclaimer at the top. But right here, you're going to see that it added, I think 2 more paragraphs. So look at all this SEO that your listings are going to have now. If you struggle with SEO like I did, this I think could really help you. So that is one of the GPTs, and I also have another one for coming up with prompts. This way, not everybody is using the same design or the same prompt. You can come in here and you can actually do the same thing, upload a design, and it will spit out 9 different prompts, and it's going to break it down into 3 sets. The first set switches up like the style, so you're going to get like maybe like a neon style or retro style or distressed style or a cartoonish style. It's basically going to switch up the design style, give you something different. And then the second set is going to be like, it's going to switch up the phrase. So instead of saying it's coming 2032, it's going to switch up the phrase. Oh, I got a sale, and give you something different. So let's see, what did it say? So here are the unique designs with similar theme. Here we got fresh visual elements and different artistic style. And then you got completely new concepts for exploration. So, if you're not very creative like me, you can just upload a design. It's going to give you brand new prompts, brand new designs that you can use. So you can kind of differentiate yourself so you're not just doing a straight up copy. And then the actual last GPT is for if you're running Amazon ads. So here you can just pop in a design. You don't have to just pop in a design. You can type in a keyword, type in a prompt. But it will actually spit out generate 50 AMS keywords. So just same thing here, get a design, upload it, and you're gonna see, sometimes it asks like what you want, sometimes it just does it. See right here it's asking, would you like a list? Yes, just say yes. So right here is going to spit out 50 keywords that you can use if you want to run ads to this niche, right? So those are the GPTs, and that's what you get when you join my SKOOL community. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free content just for my subscribers if you don't want anything to do with a paid niche service. But I wanted to throw this out there because I noticed that there are a lot of people that do want a paid niche service, and they were actually messaging me about it when I got rid of my old members service on YouTube. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. Get those free Asteroid prompts, and if you're interested, consider joining my SKOOL community. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.